Hi, I'm Lou, another episode of My Car Story. I'm here with Andrew Vogel, my buddy at the Klairmont Collection, and always a good time at the Klairmont Collection. Andrew, tell them where we're at.
So the Klairmont Collection is a private automobile museum, and we've got over 300 cars on display in about 100,000 square feet. So it's a massive place on 2 floors, exceptional time here. Now, before you go running to the computer and figure out where we are, you can do that, but understand that we're a private museum, so you need to grab 24 of your closest friends, put a group together, give me a call, and then come on down and see us that way. But in the meantime, you can go to ClairmontCollections.org, that's with 2 Ks, ClairmontandCollections.org, and check out the website and get a little more information. But fortunately, Lou's here, because he's going to show us all kinds of things that we have on the floor here, and you'll get to see some of the cars in a preview kind of a way. We got a great one for you today, don't we?
Now you've got how many Rolls-Royces in the collection?
27 in the
27.
collection. Yeah.
This one, in my opinion, stands out a little bit from some of the others. I'll grab the cameras, I usually do. And you can start to see why. Because what do we have here today?
So we have a 1983 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur. And of course, it's not just any Rolls-Royce Silver Spur, is it? Because something magical has happened to this car over the years. This was a silver car with a blue interior, a lovely car, not even a high mileage car, spent its life in Florida. But the owner of the museum thought, well, how clever it would be to cover this car in Swarovski crystals. So he called the factory, and they basically hung up on him the first time. And so he called them back again and said, no, really, I'm serious. We should do this. It'd be a lot of fun. And they said, I don't think it would be a lot of fun. And he disagreed again, and they finally came to terms. And Swarovski agreed to do this car in crystals.
Look at this.
There are 1 million crystals on this car.
Can you believe this?
All hand placed. It took 4 people 4 months to do this car. Crystal by crystal, all the way. So it's certainly a one-off, because I can't imagine Swarovski would really want to do another one of these. But it makes quite the statement, as you can imagine. Can you see this, Lou, out in the sunshine, what this car must be like?
This is in fluorescent lighting, and it's off the hook. So,
yeah, pretty amazing.
I mean, I just have nothing to say here. This speaks for itself. That's just amazing. How long do you think it took them to hand by hand, side by side, crystal this entire car?
Well, it was.
Look at it from the side.
As I say, it was the 4 people. They dedicated all day, every day for 4 months to make this happen.
4 people. Oh my goodness gracious.
The car itself is in great shape. Let me get that for you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, it's not as easy as it looks.
Yeah, let's not slam that door too hard. I don't need 3 crystals falling off. We'll be very gentle with the car for obvious reasons. And
so what you'll see inside here is a reasonable representation of a 1983 Silver Spur. It's in quite original condition.
You know, it all looks very
period.
Yeah, very correct.
And
very 1980s.
You see, look at the what would be the digital outputs here. See the LED outputs, sort of 1980s LEDs.
Oh yeah. And just beautiful venting, very comfortable, nice. Okay, all right.
That's your basic rolling living room.
Sure, your map lights, etc. And we can take a look under the hood. Look at the beautiful wood there. We're going to be very gentle with this door. Go ahead. Nice. Well, that's the nice thing about Rolls-Royce. It fits wonderfully. Look at the side marker.
Bear with me while I reach.
Sure. Look at that. Across the windshield.
There we go.
And it's just a typical, I say a typical, as though I have several.
Just another Rolls-Royce.
Just another Rolls-Royce under the hood. It just happens to have 1 million crystals on it. I come to the other side. Oh my goodness.
Yep, just a big old V8 in the Rolls-Royce way. Placarded like they always do.
Engine oil, Rolls-Royce.
There's another little hood there too.
Oh yeah. There you go. All right, I'm going to assist you on the other side. All right, we're going to put this down. Yeah, the crystals make me a little. I'm going all the way down to my fingers there, and then we look at that. They did a good job crystalling this car. Nothing came loose.
They did. If I ever want to have a car done, those are the people I'm going to.
Yeah, when I get my car crystallized, this is the people who know how to do it. Andrew,
yes, sir.
Stand next to the bling.
Yes, just to shield it a little. Here we go. Good.
Unforgettable car in the Klairmont collection. Thanks so much for showing us this car.
You bet, Lou. Thanks for stopping by, as always.